Welcome back to where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. If you're passionate about two-wheel adventures, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki DR650S, a legendary dual sport bike that continues to evolve while staying true to its roots. So, let's get started. The Suzuki DR650S has been a go-to for adventure seekers, trail riders, and daily commuters for years. It's simple, reliable, and delivers that perfect balance between off-road capability and street usability. In 2026, Suzuki has made some key refinements to ensure this bike remains competitive in an evolving market while maintaining its tried-and-true formula. Let's talk about what makes the 2026 model stand out. Suzuki has kept the classic 644cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, four-stroke engine that has powered this bike for decades, but there are some subtle enhancements to improve performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance. The fuel injection system has been further refined for smoother throttle response and improved cold starts, ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. Suzuki has also worked on reducing engine vibration, making long-distance rides more comfortable without losing that raw, mechanical feel that riders love. The 5-speed transmission remains unchanged, providing a solid mix of low-end torque and highway capability. The engine remains a workhorse, delivering a broad power band that's ideal for both technical off-road sections and cruising at highway speeds. When it comes to handling, the DR650S continues to impress with its lightweight chassis. The steel semi-double cradle frame is tough, offering excellent durability while keeping the bike nimble. The suspension system has been fine-tuned with adjustable front forks and a rear shock that provides improved damping for better control in rough terrain. The bike's ground clearance remains generous, allowing riders to tackle uneven trails without worrying about bottoming out. Suzuki has also made minor tweaks to the seat design and ergonomics to enhance rider comfort, making those long rides more manageable. A new optional lower seat height kit is available for shorter riders, improving accessibility without compromising performance. One of the biggest concerns with dual sport bikes is their weight, and Suzuki has kept the DR650S light and manageable at around 366 pounds dry. This makes it easy to handle in off-road situations while still being stable enough for highway riding. The wide handlebars and slim bodywork make maneuvering through tight trails a breeze, reinforcing the DR650S's reputation as an all-terrain machine. In terms of braking, Suzuki has upgraded the front and rear disc brakes, offering improved stopping power and modulation. The introduction of optional ABS is a significant step forward, catering to riders who want added safety when riding on pavement. For those who prefer the traditional feel, the bike is still available in a non-ABS variant. Now, let's talk about technology. Suzuki has kept things simple, but the 2026 DR650S comes with a modernized digital instrument cluster that provides essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meters, and a gear position indicator. It's a welcome addition without straying too far from the bike's rugged personality. Additionally, there's now a USB charging port, making it easier for riders to keep their devices powered during long trips. The lighting system has also received an upgrade, with a new LED headlight and taillight for improved visibility and energy efficiency. These enhancements contribute to a more refined experience while still maintaining the DR650S's core identity as a no-nonsense dual sport bike. Suzuki has introduced new color options and updated graphics, giving the 2026 DR650S a fresh look while still keeping that classic, rugged styling that riders appreciate. Whether you prefer a stealthy blacked-out design or a more traditional Suzuki blue and white scheme, there's an option that suits your taste. Another key factor that has made the DR650S so popular is its modifiability. Riders love tweaking and customizing this bike to fit their personal style and needs. Whether it's installing an oversized fuel tank for extended range, upgrading the suspension for more aggressive off-road use, or adding luggage racks for adventure touring, the DR650S serves as a great platform for personalization. Suzuki has embraced this culture by offering a wider range of factory accessories, including upgraded handguards, skid plates, and luggage options. Speaking of range, the 2026 model retains its 3.4-gallon fuel tank, which, combined with improved fuel efficiency, allows for impressive mileage on long trips. With the refined fuel injection system, You can expect better fuel economy, while still getting enough power for both city commutes and weekend adventures. So, who is the 2026 Suzuki DR650S for? This bike continues to be an excellent choice for riders who want a versatile, low-maintenance and highly capable machine. If you're someone who enjoys exploring dirt trails on the weekends, but still needs a bike that can comfortably handle daily commutes, this could be the perfect fit. The balance between simplicity and performance is what keeps riders coming back to the DR650S year after year. In terms of pricing, Suzuki has kept things competitive, ensuring that the DR650S remains one of the most affordable and reliable dual sport motorcycles in its class. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some newer adventure bikes, it delivers where it matters most: reliability, durability, and fun on all terrains. The 2026 Suzuki DR650S proves that sometimes keeping things simple is the best approach. It stays true to its roots while incorporating just enough modern touches to stay relevant in today's market. Whether you're a seasoned dual sport rider or someone looking to get into adventure riding without breaking the bank, this bike is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Suzuki DR650S. What do you think about the latest updates? Would you take this bike on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.